All right, boys and girls, today you're going to read a book by watching this video. I'm going to read the title and the first page to get you to know the words, and then you're going to use your eagle eye strategy to read the rest of the pages. That means you're looking at the first sound or letter of the word you don't know and seeing if you can find something in the picture that would make sense, just like we've practiced during reading groups. I'm going to flip through the pages as I record this video. So if you need more time, I'm going to ask you to push pause. So ask someone in your family to help you. You might need help. Once I turn the page, push pause until you're finished reading it. Then push play again so that I'm not turning the pages too fast or too slow for you. So here we go. This book is called Bird Goes Home. So there's one of our sight words, goes. And this book is about where a bird goes. Every book has a title page and then a cover page and then a title page. So this is the title page. It's kind of the same. Bird Goes Home. It tells you the author, who it's written by, and the illustrator who drew the pictures. So, as I said, I'm going to read the first page for you. If you want to try to read it on your own, pause now, and then you can see if you got it right by pushing play and then listening to what I read. So this says, the bird goes over the tree. So I used eagle eye to see that this word starts with t, t, and I see a t, tree in this picture. Bird is a new word for us, but that's the main character. And then over is a new word, but the rest, the, goes, and the, again, are sight words that we've already seen. So again, I'm going to read this first page for you, and then I will just stop talking and swipe through the rest of the pages until the end. And remember, if I'm going too quickly, just pause the video until you're finished reading the page and then push play to go to the next page. So, the bird goes over the tree. If you're stuck on the last word here, this one is a little tricky because the C in this word doesn't make the K sound we normally practice. It makes the S sound that we've talked about sometimes. So if you're having trouble thinking of what this word is, think about a word in this picture that starts with the S sound. All right, so that is the end of our book. I'll go back to the beginning so that you can remember what it looked like. It's called Bird Goes Home. And if you can, when you're finished reading and done this video, just either record for me on Seesaw or tell someone, or even just think about it yourself. Can you remember all the places the bird went over or where they went in this book?